Hello everyone, myself Bilal from Government Engineering College Ajmer, Rajasthan. I was looking for an internship in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Then one of my friends suggested me to do internship at YBI Foundation. I applied for internship at YBI Foundation and I got the wonderful opportunity. I just want to share my experience of 2 months internship at YBI Foundation. The teacher was so interactive and it was so easy process to do internship with YBI Foundation. In this internship, I've got a series of instructions and classes and major or minor projects. Throughout this 2 months, I have learned so many things and I learned that how to link my expertise and my development programming to the real world project. There were so many minor projects and one major projects. So this was amazing experience and I really suggest you to do your internship at YBI Foundation. Thank you very much and bye.